First, introducing the PKP percutaneous kyphoplasty system components: balloon catheter, syringe, 4.2 mm, trocar, bone cement filler, hand drill, vertebral body model, and bone cement kit. Under fluoroscopic guidance, the 4.2 mm trocar is advanced through the pedicle to 2 to 3 mm from the posterior margin of the vertebral body. Confirm the precise tip position via AP and lateral fluoroscopy. Then remove the insert the hand drill through the working cannula. Enlarge the channel within the vertebral body and stop 2 to 3 mm from the anterior margin. Withdraw the drill, leave the working channel in place, and confirm the channel position again via fluoroscopy. Draw a sufficient amount of contrast agent into the balloon inflation pump and purge the air from the pump. Purge the air from the balloon tip using a syringe via the three-way stopcock. Insert the balloon through the working cannula into the collapsed region of the vertebral body. Slowly inflate the balloon to gradually restore vertebral height and correct kyphosis. Monitor height restoration continuously under fluoroscopy to ensure controllable balloon pressure. After reduction, aspirate the contrast agent and withdraw the balloon. Mix the bone cement. Shake for about 1 minute until it reaches the string-forming phase, the optimal time for injection. Draw the bone cement with a syringe and transfer it into the bone cement pusher. Insert it through the working cannula into the vertebral body and slowly inject the cement under low pressure. Observe the injected volume under CRM fluoroscopy, control the injection speed, and strictly prevent cement leakage into the spinal canal, intervertebral disc space, or lateral aspects. As the bone cement begins to set, slowly withdraw the balloon and working cannula. Next, demonstrating the PVP percutaneous vertebroplasty workflow. This demonstration includes the use of the bone cement mixing bowl and injector. Instruments include bone cement mixing bowl, bone cement syringe, guide wire, 3.2 mm trocar, 4.2 mm dilator, bone cement pusher, and syringe. Under fluoroscopic guidance, the 3.2 mm trocar is advanced through the pedicle to 2 to 3 mm from the posterior margin of the vertebral body. Confirm the precise tip position, remove the trocar stylet, and insert the guide wire. Remove the 3.2 mm trocar cannula and insert the 4.2 mm dilator over the guide wire. Withdraw the dilator and guide wire, leaving the dilation cannula in place as the working channel. Mix the bone cement in the bowl before it reaches the string forming phase. Pour the bone cement into the cement injector through the funnel. Screw on the lure connector and purge the air. The string forming phase is the optimal time for injection. Screw the syringe lure connector onto the bone cement pusher cannula, purge the air, and insert the cannula directly into the working cannula to complete the cement injection.